Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Hey,
Rich.
Rich. Hey,
How are we
Rich.
all doing today?
Good.
Good,
You?
thanks.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Well, I wanted to open up the conversation and obviously talk about COVID-19, this huge impact that it has had on our clients. People are finding it very difficult to make ends meet. So I wanted to get together and discuss what we've learned from this crisis and how we can help our clients weather the storm. Trine, why don't you start off? Tell me what's been happening.
So, what I've been telling my clients is to focus on budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget helps in times like these.
Absolutely.
Last week, I was just talking to one of my clients, and she was telling me that she's working from home now. So, she's been able to save a lot on gas, but groceries have gone up. It's kind of tricky because you're saving money in one area but spending excessively in another.
And so, what advice have you given her?
I've told her to pull your bank statement and see where things are itemized and where you're spending the most, because then you'll know where to cut back.
I mean, I think that's really important with a budget. It really puts things into perspective and helps decipher between a need
And a
a
want.
want.
Exactly.
Well, let's face it, the pandemic has affected all of us. The value of money is so much stronger now because people have to look at the most important expenses for the month. The government is helping, but there's only a limited amount of income for them.
Probably the best budgeters that we have are pensioners because they have that fixed income and they go by the book. So even using CERB as a great tool to say, this is it. It's like how your mom used to give you $20 and say, once this is gone, it is gone. Jay, what about you?
A lot of my clients have actually been saving a lot. Social distancing has eliminated a lot of unnecessary activities like shopping, eating out, spending money on kids' activities. By saving a lot more money, it's allowed them to maybe save up for like an emergency fund.
Putting aside a contingency fund is very important right now because we don't know what the next few months are going to hold. If this pandemic happens to come into a second phase, at least you have money set aside for situations like these.
I feel like what this pandemic has done is it's taken the word saving to a whole different ballgame. You may be in the most secure job, but things happen. If your clients are struggling with finances due to COVID-19, absolutely they should talk to a licensed insolvency trustee like David Sklar Associates, where we can get the overall picture because there are so many solutions out there. It's just about finding the best relief option possible.
We're not open to the public right now, but we're offering Zoom video conferencing, meeting clients online or over the phone, and that's how we're really trying to kind of streamline the process.
We're here to help in the best way that we can.
We want them to have a healthier, more secure, financially sound future.
I feel, the more that we can collaborate, the more that we can discuss, the better help we can be to our clients.
Thanks,
Sounds
Rich.
Thanks,
good.
Richard.
Thanks, Richard.